best website to create 3D mockups for free. Go to virtualthreads.io and select Create. A 3D garment will appear which is completely customizable. Select Upload your design. Next, select here and finally upload image. Choose your design. Click and drag to move and resize your design and see it magically reflected in on the 3D clothing. Easily place it anywhere on the model. Click and drag to rotate the model, and you will see your designs projected perfectly in position. Select garment color and choose a color for your piece. This is my favorite part. It's so easy. Next, select background and choose a perfect color match for your garment. Finally, select export and then export image. You can also export videos and a 3D model to show off your garment in any way possible. You can also add animations to your mockup, such as ultra-realistic wind and walking animations. You can even try it on your tablet. Go to virtualthreads.io to try it free now.